we have some nice cuts we've come out of the field with. We have some salvia, which is a nice blue spike. This is salvia. We've got a little argyratum here, which is a very long-lasting cut to add to your bouquets. Argyratum. Let's see, this is Buplurum, which is a green to add to your flower bouquets. This here is Amy, or common name, a Queen Anne's lace, which is a nice cut to add. Very delicate cut, long lasting. Okay. We've got lots of let's see, Rudbeckia here, and many different varieties that we have in the cutting garden.
Now that's Gomphra that you just put in, right?
This is, oh sorry, yeah. This is all the Rudbeckia here. Different textures, different colors. They make a wonderful bouquet. Even themselves, they make a wonderful bouquet. We've got some zinnias here. There's several varieties. There's cut and come agains, there's cactus, there's Magellan, and there's, I haven't cut any here, but we have other varieties as well of the zinnias. They're an excellent flower, long lasting. It's a great cut flower, which you can also grow yourself at home. They're a very easy, carefree plant. We've got some asters as well. These are a great cut flower. They add a nice splash of color to your bouquets and arrangements. We've got a little feverfew, which is an herb, which is a nice filler plant to add to your bouquets. This is Verbena bonariensis, which is the butterfly plant. Monarchs love this plant, bees as well, and that's a nice long-lasting flower. We've got some Gomphra here as well in different colors. There's whites and pinks and purples. And this isn't, let me get it apart here. This is an everlasting, so it dries well. It's like a straw flower or status. It's great to add to those type of flowers for bouquets, for an everlasting bouquet for the fall. It's a dry. That's another piece of that. So come on down to Moulton's. We have excellent cuts in our flower gardens right now for you to enjoy and to put some bouquets together.